Viewers, thanks for visiting my channel again. So I have a problem for this Blade MCP XBL2. So I asked the expert, so hopefully he can help me. I already changed the tail rotor and it still give me the problem like spinning like a toilet bowl, but this one is spinning normal, since this one is not spin when you try to hover this helicopter. The reason why, because this one is not spinning, the only spin is this one. So I show you how it looks when it flies right here in this table. You just gonna hover it. So let's see how this one it turns, so that you can help me how this one speaks. Maybe the problem is the control board panel, but hopefully you can help me on that one. I don't have any tester, but I think this one is the problem, but I'm not sure. Hopefully you can help me on that one. So I show you right now how this one spins when I use the remote control. Here we go, already in a MCP XBL2 heli on my transmitter. So I about to bind it. So let's see what's going on. Now it's already bound from this radio. So I show you. So it's bound normal now. Is I just put this my hands right here so that it's not flying all over the place. So I just want to show you that the only turn is that one. See, that one is spins, but not the rotor. So just no hands there. You see. So I show you exactly what's going on. It spins like a toilet bowl. That's my problem. So hopefully you can help me to fix that one. Just message down below. I don't know how to use the tester to test the board. So I show you. Let me open this one. I like this helicopter. So if you look at it, it's everything is normal. There's a green there, so it means, and you never see any blink there, so it means it binds all right. And when you push again the throttle, that's the one they do. So I don't want to apply it again. So I give you close-up look. I think the problem is this board. It costs this one $74. That's why I don't want to spend $74, and I'm not sure if this is the problem or not. So positive, I already changed the rotor motor. I already changed the boom too, because the way they design to insert the wire, we can just pull the wire and insert. The wire is not go line all the way here and comes out here. They don't have any hole. All need to do is insert this wire and pull it and roll it outside here and roll it here in this body and goes to the connection. So I don't miss to, I'm sure that I never miss for putting that one, and I'll make sure that I pouring on this right connection too. They have them 3 wires there, just insert. So, and then the way I put the wire here, I connect it right too. So this is the connection. They have 3 wires too. So I know that there's no polarity there for those two wires. Hopefully you can give me a suggestion how I'm gonna fix this one. Everything's work as I show you. The 3 servo is working normal. See? The right, the left. See, the 3 servo is working 100% normal. So that's my concern. So hopefully can help me. Bye and see you next time. Thanks.